The needs of the modern workplace continue to evolve, creating new challenges and new opportunities. And if organizations want to succeed, they must evolve as well, or risk losing both customers and employees. That's why they need a partner, someone that understands this new world of work, someone with the drive, dedication, and determination to help address their needs head-on. We are that partner. We are ODP Business Solutions. Formerly Office Depot Business Solutions Division, we are more than just office supplies. We are a force for change, helping you address technology transformation, sustainability, innovative workspace design, cleaning and break room, and everything in between with the speed and efficiency business demands. And now is our time to stand up and make organizations everywhere say, "Oh," when they find out how much more we can do. Because when it comes to the workplace, there's more at work with ODP. ODP Business Solutions.